Hey guys, what's up? Joe here. Thank you all for tuning in. Sunday night, I wanted to catch up with you all before the Sunday close. Let's see how this week closes out before we dive into another big week for crypto coming up. Now, if you're brand new here, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, select all notifications, go back and watch previous videos, really appreciate that. And if you enjoy the content, as ever guys, make sure you smash up that like. But yeah, thank you all for tuning in. Just want a little chat with the community out here on the streets tonight. I had a little meeting for a coffee of someone else who's influential in crypto, teaching me a few things over in the mall there. But yeah, it's been good times here in Dubai, and we're having great times on the channel at the moment, and all this is being paid for beautifully with the trades that we've got going in our trading zone. Another fantastic week. Yes, okay, going back just over a week ago, did stop out on a couple of cash trades on Casper, but they've been completely nullified, and we've locked in some more great gains. And talking about locking in gains, by the time this video goes out, who knows, I may lock in more gains, or I may have to wait till tomorrow. But two trades we got going, they're absolutely fantastic at the minute. Looking great short on Merit Circle, on the MC USDT pair, and also ARC, absolutely killing those on BYBIT at the moment. If you want to trade on BYBIT and support the channel, links in the description below for our affiliate. Get a great deposit bonus, and like I said, if you trade on there, you're helping support the channel, so thank you very much. If you do want to get involved in our trading zone, of course, links in the description. You can join Discord for free, and then take a look at the channel membership. Again, if anybody wants a free trial, not a problem, can absolutely 100% make that happen. But just join Discord for free first, and yeah, come and chat to us. Now, time recording, got Bitcoin in that 26k range where it's been kind of sat all weekend. No surprises there. Now, as you know, if we're going to move back up, first resistance is going to be around about 27,400. I do think that is going to be major resistance, and my primary expectation is that is going to hold. However, I won't be shocked if it doesn't. If we do get a rally next week, then maybe we can get up to 28.2. However, I don't see us getting above 28,200 on Bitcoin, guys. If we get above 28,200, consolidate, then we probably are going back up to 30k for another test of the major resistance. But until that happens, expectation is we are grinding down here, folks. That's my expectation. If you've got a different opinion, leave us a comment below. I always get back to all your opinions on the channel. So yeah, if we don't get back up to that major resistance, main target's got to be around about 23k on Bitcoin. I think that the grind down could play out exactly with index markets. The SP 500, Nasdaq do look like they've exhausted, in my opinion. I'm going to keep on rambling on about index weighting and how much that those two index markets in particular are being held up with the big heavy boy stocks. I'm talking about your Apples, your Googles, your Microsofts, now your Nvidias, etc. If the tops is in on those guys, the whole markets are in trouble. That's why I kept saying, up the stairs, down the elevator, it's definitely a possibility if we see sell-offs on those stocks. Now, why would we see sell-offs on those stocks? Very simple. As soon as there's a bit of fear with investors that they think that the top's in and those stocks have exhausted, they are going to take the markets down, and Bitcoin is going to be affected. Don't you for 1 minute think that Bitcoin won't be affected just because Microsoft and Google, etc. start selling off. I do believe that Bitcoin still has a lot of maturing to do in the years to come, but I do believe it has reached a level of maturity enough at this stage where it can be significantly affected by sell-offs on major assets. You guys know that I've put my opinion out on some of those major assets and commodities, etc. on my macro chart. Go check out this video if you haven't seen it. Go take a look at that. And I'm going to continue to do these videos, guys, as long as they seem popular. Got a lot of good feedback from you guys, especially in the Discord, and our members in our community liking those videos. So I'll continue to do those videos. And if there's any assets or any stocks or any cryptos, whatever you want me to give my opinion of on a high time frame, I'll absolutely do that for you. Now, DXY, as we know, closed 10 weeks in the green. Can we get an 11th week? Of course we can. Would I be shocked if we start to see a pullback on the DXY? No, I wouldn't. That would be healthy. But if we get that consolidation above 105.50 first and then pull back, then like I said, nothing has changed. Sticking to the plan, the bulls are in real trouble. Still got that target of about 107.90 on the sort of low to medium time frame. If we remain bullish, if we keep seeing those weekly green candles, I do think we're going to get up there before we see a bit of a pullback. So that's just how I'm reading the DXY at the minute. You'll get a lot of moon boys saying, oh no, this is just a sucker's rally and it's going to go to new lows again. It's possible, it's just not what my expectation is. Avoiding the noise. DXY, I've got to just assess the charts with, you know, no bias. It looks bullish to me. That's how I read it. If you've got a different opinion, or if you've got the same opinion, leave us a comment below. I would be really interested to hear. So, what can we look forward to next week on the channel? Well, again, we're just going to continue having the content that you guys love. Again, if anybody wants those specific altcoins, wants Savage to do, you know, technical analysis on the Elliott-wave on, again, if you've got the channel membership, you can make, you know, those requests as much as you want. So that's one, you know, major perk of having the channel membership. If you want to join the membership for lifetime, you can still get a lifetime membership NFT for 1,800 ADA only. Now guys, I cannot, you know, recommend enough that you guys at least get, you know, 1 or 2 Cryptcomps tickets for the next draw. You know, for the price of a coffee, you could still win a massive amount of crypto at Cryptcomps.com. We really do. I don't just say this, guys. We really, really do have the best odds of any crypto competition out there. You go do your own research. Don't just take my word for it. I promise you, you will not find any other crypto competitions out there offering as good at odds as Cryptcomps.com does. So you can get yourself a ticket there, get yourself in the £10,000 worth draw or the £1,000 worth draw. 2 competitions, whichever one you like. Now, markets next week I'm specifically looking at. We have just taken a short on Chainlink as well. I do think Chainlink's had a good rally, but I do think that that is going to pull back to the downside at some stage as well. And I'm still expecting at least another, if not a few, bear market lows on Chainlink to come. Have I got in this one early? Yes, I do think so. I'm scaling in. I've gone in at $7.13, I think it is at the moment. Do I think it can get to $7.40? Yes. Back up to $8? Yes. It doesn't matter to me. When I'm scaling in short, I'm just going to keep adding. I'm using sensible leverage. It's all part of our, you know, risk management strategy that has been working for us on the channel, and we're producing, you know, great results. All I can do in this bear market to make myself happy is continue to stack that stable coin, continue to stack cash. I do believe cash is king, and the more of it you're going to have when the real dip comes, the real dip in my opinion, not the 30 dips that you've been told to buy all the way down, that you've been told to DCA into, that you've continually been losing on. I'm talking about the real dip that I think's coming. The more cash you've got, guys, that's how we're going to make serious, real generational level wealth in the next bull market. So it's all about patience. Whatever you can do to save, great. I fully back that strategy. Again, however, none of this is financial advice, and if anyone is out there dollar cost averaging into assets, I do not criticize you. That's your strategy. You've got to stick to it. I really do hope you do well. I really hope that you invest in good cryptos or good assets that, you know, return you an excellent return in the future. We have our buy zones again available to members if you want to join the channel membership. We do technical analysis on a load of coins, and you know, we have been saying that lower prices have been coming on the vast majority of these altcoins, and we've been vindicated in that opinion throughout 2023. Yes, Bitcoin went on a great rally. Yes, some altcoins, not all of them, some of them went on a decent rally in January, and okay, they went higher from the November lows, but they've gone lower since then. So again, vindicated on that opinion. So I'm pretty happy with the decisions we've made on the channel. Again, we're looking at buying the likes of AVAX, but we don't want to buy it at $10. We want to buy it at $5 to get that pool. We need a lot of tokens. So I really do believe that our patience is going to be rewarded. That is the message I wanted to get across. Not expecting a huge amount of volatility into the close tonight. I think we are going to park up. The first few days of next week are going to be key, whether the bulls can make a run to take Bitcoin back into those resistance levels that I've mentioned, or if we just head down on some bad news potentially to that $23,000 target. The bad news, again, what I think can come. I do think we have serious problems for Binance. There could be other exchanges in trouble that we do not know about. It would not be shocking that out of the blue another exchange goes bust here, or another major crypto asset holder gets in trouble, gets liquidated. I do expect in this bear market there to be some more major casualties and a lot more pain. I do not think we've had max pain until this market is over. I hope you've enjoyed the content, guys. I hope you enjoy listening to us, and you get something out of this content. I really do get a lot out of our community and all the opinions that you guys share with us in the Discord and all the feedback you give us. So thank you all for watching. Again, if you haven't done already and you've enjoyed the content, make sure you smash up that like. Let's get this content out there to everyone. Let's get sharing it. And thank you all, and I'll see you through the week. And yeah, look forward to the members AMA as always on Thursdays. And yeah, it's going to be a fun week. There's going to be new trades out. Have a good one. Have a good night wherever you are. See you again.